the Newport Pier right now. It is so gorgeous out here. I mean, today is an absolutely perfect day. The weather's perfect, it's sunny, and the sun feels great. And we saw a seal. We had breakfast with his family. I would say this is a good Thursday. There's Weston. Let's go see what he's doing. Did you get the shot? Bullets for you. Shot to bits in my hands won't stick. These bitches are fearless. I can't keep taking bullets. You leave clean. Will I do or die? God, he's so cute. Oh, cute. Riley. Hi, Riley. Come in. Come in. Come in. Where's your toy? You don't know. Okay, let's go look for it. Oh, there it is. Come here. Give me your toy. Riley. As I sit here and do whatever bloggers do on the laptop stuff things, this thing is the best thing I've ever come across. You got this amazing heater.
I say my girlfriend was so upset at Randy last year when he told her. He was really excited. He found this great shoulder heating pad for me for Christmas. And she goes, "You got her what? A heating pad for Christmas?" She was so upset about that. I go, "I love it. I think it's the best thing ever."
That's what Weston's mom was saying. This little heat blanket wrap thing. I don't want to buy it for myself because I'm gonna save it as an opportunity for someone to buy it for me for Christmas. But $34.99. This is an awesome, awesome gift. Because I'm not doing a gift guide, I'm just gonna throw in a couple recommendations here and there. And this thing. I'm also popping in here because I don't know if you guys know, I use Twitter all the time. My Twitter handle is That's Chic. I'm on Twitter all the time, so let's like hang out there. Let's go see what the boys are doing. What you doing, Riley? What you doing, Weston? What are you doing? The life of Riley, huh? Are you want to play? You want love? The life of Riley, huh? Is it the life of Riley? Dogs have it so easy. We all know this. I wonder if I can have Riley vlog for me today. Come here, Riley. Let me see. No. Why are you so wet? Here, let's see if we can put this on your head. Stop. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. No. Come here. Do you want to wear the vlogging camera for today? Riley, do you want to vlog for me today? Let's see the Who do you love more, Riley? Me or him? Riley. Oh, look who loves me more.
Oh my gosh, she came right to me.
Riley, be right back. We are getting pho right now, which I could not be more excited about. But we get to eat pho. Aren't you stoked on that?
You double dip?
Mm-hmm. That's spicy.
Yeah, that's a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I get like 5 million strands of things.
You're on the right track. This is great.
Come on.
Where's Riley? Okay, we just got back from lunch. His parents enjoyed the meal. And I guess we're staying for dinner too. But are we still leaving here tonight? Alright, let's open one. Wow, it smells delicious. I'm gonna go for a green one. You want one, Wilson?
Oh, they're so good.
Mmm. Dang!
Hello.
Hello!
Thank you.
What's Fury?
I pretty much just spent the entire day editing videos for Disney. We're pretty much gonna head home, I think. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow's gonna be a super busy day. We have to pack and then head out to the cabin, so it's gonna be really fun. And it'll be a fun weekend too. All right, see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Whether I do